Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. This reduces delays. First, make sure your iPhone has iOS 13 or newer, Siri enabled, and Bluetooth on. Once done, plug a quality USB cable into the MG-ZS front USB port, or if your model supports wireless CarPlay, pair via Bluetooth and follow the on-screen prompt. Then unlock your phone and accept the CarPlay prompt when it appears. This initial handshake lets the head unit recognize your phone and exposes CarPlay apps quickly. After the connection, you must authorize and tailor the experience. Tap Accept on the MG-ZS screen and tap Allow on your iPhone for access to contacts and maps. This is required for navigation and calls to function. Next, customize the app layout from iPhone settings so your most used apps appear first. Make sure audio routing is set to CarPlay and adjust display brightness on the MG-ZS to reduce glare. Doing this ensures efficient access and a readable interface while driving. Now you use CarPlay routinely. Press the steering wheel voice button or hold the home icon to start Siri for navigation, calls, or messages. This keeps you hands-free. If an app fails to appear, unplug and replug the cable, disable and re-enable Bluetooth, then restart your iPhone. These steps clear common connection glitches. If problems persist, reset the MG-ZS infotainment Bluetooth or perform a soft 12-volt cycle. And make sure your car firmware and iPhone are updated to maintain stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.